Okay, so I thought while the cat's all hyperactive, I'd film Bambi going crazy. Yeah. Not sure if I mentioned in the other film, but we've had Bambi for 2 weeks now. He's fully litter trained. He likes to bite and scratch, but that's just his playful nature. And he loves to chase things. Very crazy little kitten. We had a few names we're going to call him. One was Sylvester, the other one was Nimble, the other one was Carlos, and there was a few other ones, and we just kept on going back and forth with names, and in the end we just thought Bambi's a cute name, and yeah, it'd be funny if he grows up to be a massive cat, because big fat black cat called Bambi would be pretty funny. Bambi. Very inquisitive kitty cat. Oh, that is funny. You look thirsty. Do you want a drink? That's about it for now.